Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to voice over on TikTok. So the first, after you open TikTok, you can click on the plus symbol here to add a clip. If you're not going to record it directly, you can click on upload and search from the gallery to choose the clip or the photos that you want to upload to TikTok. So here I'm going to choose this clip from my gallery. To create a voiceover, you can click on the microphone icon over here. And now you can choose whether to use voice filter to change your voice, but if you're just going to use original sound, you can just record it and click on this red button here to start recording, or you can adjust first where to start your voiceover by dragging the clips. I'm going to show you like how to drag the clips. I need to deactivate my pointer first, and then I'm going to position where to start my recording. And here's how I voice over. You can release the button to stop the recording, and you can continue it again, but if you're done, you can just click here. Hi guys, this is how you voice over on TikTok. So this is sample, and now I'm going to adjust the sound. Here I'm going to minimize the original sound. And then save. Hi guys. So the preview would be like this. Hi guys, this is how you voice over on TikTok. And if I'm done, just click save over here. And then if I'm going to post it, just click on the story or click on next to post it to TikTok. So that's how you voice over on TikTok, guys. It's easy, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye!